3, 2, 1.
Oh God.
We're back with another challenge. This one seems very easy. We have actually done something very similar to this before. So, what you have to do is like the soda water one.
Yes.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
So you have to drink a full bottle of this without burping. That's the challenge. So if you don't like burping and all that crap, switch off. It's not the video for you. So you have to try and drink this without burping. That's the challenge. So a guy says try it with one bottle. We've done it with soda water before. We're going to try it with, hold on, that's for one for you. And then that's one for me. And that's one for you. And then that's one for me.
Abracadabra.
What was I? Here's what I made earlier. Right. So, we're going to try and do one bottle. And then if we feel great after it, because look at all the size of the bottle. It doesn't feel like it's going to be a hard challenge, but I remember the soda water was hard. It was a very hard challenge. So, do one bottle, then we're going to move on to the other one if we can get that far. Dude, this is going to get tough. This is going to start making your stomach feel like it's on fire. The burp's going to want to come out. Do not let it out. Do not let the burp out. You drink again to push it back down. Our goal, objective, is do not let the burp out. One bottle, done. 2 bottles, done. No burping. So when the burp's coming up, force it back down.
With the water there or something?
I know, it was like a motivational speech, wasn't it? Like, come on, Steve Dog. I believe we can do this one. So that wouldn't be as gassy as soda water. Definitely not. Soda water. Do you think that would be?
I'd say
What's
just
right?
yes. No.
Right, let's just get into it. No more stalling, eh? That's it. Come on.
We look like 2 bloody idiots.
No, that's proper. That's us. We're getting there. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's a good start. It's spicy. Catches your throat, boy. Right, let's do a half talk, team talk. Half team talk.
Going about.
Why are you looking up to the sky? Nobody's going to help me with this one. Oh my God. Have you done it? Oh my God, well done. Well, that's still good. Well, part of me inside is feeling like it's dying. If you don't stop doing that, I'm going to be sick. That is terrible.
Oh God. It actually makes you feel sick, I think. You hold on that long.
Oh, I should have had it open. I should have had it open. Oh, that is awful. Oh, I'm having a word of a trouble here. I can't believe we done the challenge.
Yeah.
We just didn't get the next bit done.
No.
Oh,
Well, that was good for the 2 of us.
I am impressed that we even got that done. If I'd have had that one, I could have kept going a wee bit. I feel awful. I'll go for a lie down now.
You're right.
That's not nice. Oh yeah, by the way, before we go, right? Before you go, if you have any other challenges you want us to try in the car, it could be disgusting foods, it can be other drinking challenges, just let us know. We're happy to oblige. Well, I am anyway.
I know you are.
Folks, we have a slight problem. We have a man that's not feeling great. We've got a man that might be sick. He just said to me, hurry on. He said to me, hurry on. Hurry on what?
We are cold.
It turned out heating up a bit. Steve. By the way, folks, we've moved about 4 foot. Are you actually being sick?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Dude.
What do you mean fluid?
Fucking the Sprite.